Once you reach your 60s, you can lose up to 3% of your muscle mass every year. And that loss isn't just about strength. It affects how steady you feel, how easily you move, and even how confident you are living on your own. Most people don't realize what they've lost until that first serious fall serves as a wake-up call. But here's the part few people ever hear. You can take back control. There are 5 simple exercises that can slow this process, rebuild your strength, and bring balance back into your life. They're easy to do right at home, even if you have limited mobility, and they're one of the best ways to defend your body against age-related decline. Before we begin, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new health tip designed just for you. If this helps, type 9 in the comments or type 0 and let me know what you'd like to see next. Your feedback directly helps shape the content we create to support your journey towards strength and independence. We'll start from the ground up with an exercise for your body's so-called second heart. The first exercise is the calf raise. It may look simple, but it is one of the most valuable exercises for older adults. Calf raises strengthen the muscles in your lower legs, improve balance when walking, and boost circulation throughout the body, especially in the feet and ankles. Many people don't realize that the calves are often called the body's second heart. Every time these muscles contract, they help push blood back toward the heart, supporting healthy circulation. This makes calf raises an effective way to reduce swelling, prevent varicose veins, and lower the risk of blood clots or deep vein thrombosis, which are more common in people who spend long periods sitting or standing still. Research in the Journal of Applied Physiology shows that strengthening the calf muscles improves blood flow, enhances vascular health, and delivers more oxygen to the tissues that need it most. To do a proper calf raise, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and use a chair or wall for balance if necessary. Slowly lift your heels off the floor until you are standing on the balls of your feet. Hold the position for 2 seconds, then gently lower your heels back down. Repeat this motion for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, 3 times a week. As your strength improves, you can challenge yourself by performing the movement on one leg or by holding light weights. Exhale as you rise and inhale as you lower, allowing your breath to stabilize your core and support your posture. Beginners can start with both feet on the floor, while those with more strength can use a small step to increase the range of motion and muscle engagement. The benefits of this simple movement go far beyond circulation. Strong calves improve walking stability, help you climb stairs with ease, and play a key role in preventing falls. When these muscles weaken, every step becomes less steady, increasing the risk of tripping or losing balance. Calf raises rebuild that strength safely and effectively. Remember to move slowly, lift your heels high, and keep your posture upright. Focus on balance, control, and even weight across the balls of your feet. In just a few minutes, calf raises can awaken your circulation, strengthen vital muscles, and bring back confidence to every step you take. It truly is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to protect your health from the ground up. The second exercise is the glute bridge. Your glutes are among the most important muscles for maintaining stability and independence, yet they are also among the first to weaken with age. When that happens, simple daily movements like walking, climbing stairs, or standing up from a chair become more difficult and the risk of falling increases. That is why the glute bridge is such a powerful exercise. Research from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity shows that this simple movement activates both the glutes and hamstrings, helping to restore balance and reduce pressure on your knees and lower back. To perform it, lie flat on your back with your knees bent, feet firmly on the floor, and arms resting by your sides. Take a deep breath in through your nose, then exhale slowly as you lift your hips, squeezing your glutes and keeping your core tight. Stop when your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Avoid overarching your lower back. Hold the position for about 2 seconds, then inhale as you lower your hips back down with control. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, 3 times a week. Once you get stronger, you can increase the challenge by lifting one leg at a time. Stay mindful of your breathing, keep your spine neutral, and let your muscles, not your lower back, do the work. The third exercise is the squat. This is one of the most complete and effective movements for older adults because it helps preserve independence as we age. The squat works the quadriceps, glutes, and core, the muscles that keep your body strong, mobile, and balanced. These are the same muscles you use every day when you stand up from a chair, climb stairs, or carry groceries. Research published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning, Research in 2014 found that regular squat training improves functional strength and greatly reduces the risk of falls in older adults. That makes the squat a powerful tool not just for building muscle, but also for protecting your safety and quality of life. Many people still believe squats are bad for the knees, but science shows the opposite. When done with proper technique, squats strengthen the muscles around the joints, improve stability, and can even relieve knee pressure and pain over time. To do a basic squat, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and your toes turned slightly outward. Keep your chest lifted, back straight, and core engaged. Push your hips back as if sitting into a chair while bending your knees. As you lower down, focus on keeping your knees in line with your second toe, and be careful not to let them collapse inward. Go down only as far as feels comfortable, and keep your heels grounded. Inhale as you lower yourself, and exhale as you rise, tightening your core and glutes. This controlled breathing helps stabilize your spine and increase strength in your center. If you have limited strength or joint discomfort, start with a supported squat by sitting and standing slowly from a sturdy chair, focusing on using your legs instead of your hands. You can also try a wall squat by sliding your back down a wall and holding for a few seconds before coming up. These variations help you build strength safely and gradually. As you progress, try freestanding squats or add light hand weights. Remember to avoid letting your knees collapse inward, rounding your spine, or shifting your weight to your toes. Focus on posture, control, and breathing. When practiced with care and consistency, the squat becomes more than just an exercise. It becomes a daily investment in strength, stability, and independence that supports you for years to come. The fourth exercise is scapular retraction. This movement, performed with a resistance band, is one of the most effective ways to strengthen the upper back and improve posture as we age. Over time, many people develop rounded shoulders because of weak back muscles and years of poor posture. This forward slump does more than change how you look. It can cause chronic shoulder discomfort, neck tension, and even make it harder to breathe deeply. Research published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science shows that scapular retraction exercises significantly improve shoulder stability and reduce pain in older adults with rounded or stooped posture. The result is better alignment, less tension, and smoother movement throughout your daily life. To do this exercise correctly, use a light or medium resistance band. You can perform it sitting or standing, as long as your spine stays tall and your shoulders relaxed. Hold the band with both hands at chest height, elbows bent at about 90 degrees and close to your sides. Slowly pull the band apart while focusing on squeezing your shoulder blades together, as if you are trying to pinch a small object between them. Hold that squeeze for about 2 seconds, then return to the starting position with control. Exhale through your mouth as you pull, and inhale through your nose as you release, keeping your neck soft and your movement steady. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, 3 times a week. This exercise strengthens the key postural muscles that hold your shoulders back and support your spine. When these muscles are strong, you naturally stand taller, move with greater confidence, and reduce your risk of falls. It also makes daily activities like reaching overhead or carrying groceries much easier. Avoid lifting your shoulders toward your ears or tightening your neck. Let your shoulder blades, not your arms, do the work. Focus on slow, deliberate motion rather than force or speed. The goal is to awaken and stabilize the muscles that matter most. Over time, practicing this simple movement can ease upper back tension, correct slouching, and restore natural, pain-free posture. It may look easy, but when done properly, its impact is powerful and lasting. Share it with someone who struggles with stiffness or rounded shoulders. This small exercise could make a real difference in their comfort and quality of life. The fifth exercise is the push-up. This classic movement remains one of the most complete and effective ways to build upper body strength at any age. Push-ups work the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, the very muscles that help you perform daily tasks like opening doors, lifting grocery bags, standing up from a chair, or simply maintaining an upright posture. They also engage the core muscles deeply, helping to stabilize the spine and improve balance, making this a full-body exercise that supports both strength and coordination. For beginners or older adults with limited mobility, the safest and most accessible version is the wall push-up. It reduces strain on the joints while still activating all key muscle groups. To perform it, stand facing a wall with your hands at shoulder height and your feet step slightly back to form a gentle angle. Keep your body in a straight line and your core gently engaged. Inhale as you prepare to move, then exhale as you bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall. Inhale again as you push yourself back to the starting position, maintaining alignment throughout. Once you feel stronger, progress to inclined push-ups using a sturdy surface like a table or bench. Keep the same controlled form as before, allowing the increased angle to add just a bit more resistance. When ready for more challenge, move to knee push-ups on the floor. Place your hands shoulder-width apart, keep your knees on the ground, and slowly lower your chest toward the floor as you inhale. Exhale as you push yourself back up, keeping your body straight from the knees to the shoulders. Finally, for those with greater strength and stability, try the traditional push-up on your toes with your full body lifted. This variation engages the entire upper body and core with precision and control. Regardless of the version you choose, breathing and form are essential. Inhale as you lower. Exhale as you push back up, keeping your movements slow and steady. Avoid flaring your elbows too wide, letting your hips sag, or moving too quickly. Proper alignment keeps your shoulders safe and your spine protected. Even a few well-executed push-ups can build meaningful strength, improve posture, and enhance confidence in daily movement. Done consistently and with care, this simple exercise becomes a foundation for lasting physical independence. Now that your whole body feels stronger, it is time to awaken another key ability that keeps you steady and confident: your balance and body awareness. One of the simplest, yet most powerful ways to improve balance as you age is through the heel-toe walk. It might look easy, but this movement trains coordination, strengthens the stabilizing muscles of your legs, and teaches your body to stay steady while in motion, which is exactly when most falls happen. As we grow older, balance naturally declines, especially when walking, turning, or stepping over small obstacles. This exercise helps restore control by engaging the muscles in your feet, ankles, hips, and core while sharpening proprioception, your body's sense of position and movement. To perform it, stand tall with your arms slightly extended to your sides. Step forward by placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of your other foot, as if walking along a straight line. Keep your gaze forward, your core gently engaged, and your pace slow and steady. Take 10 to 20 steps forward, pause, then carefully turn around and return the same way. Maintain good posture throughout with your shoulders relaxed, chest open, chin level, and spine aligned. This upright position naturally activates your back and core muscles and helps strengthen your entire postural system. As you walk with focus and intention, you will feel more grounded and confident in every step. If you need support, use a nearby wall or a sturdy surface until you feel stable. To challenge yourself, try walking on a softer surface like a yoga mat, or briefly close your eyes when it is completely safe. Practicing this simple move a few minutes each day can greatly reduce your risk of falling, improve your posture, and help preserve long-term independence. After completing these 5 essential exercises, you have taken real steps toward maintaining strength, balance, and overall vitality. Remember, what matters most is not perfection, but consistency. Listen to your body, move at your own pace, and celebrate every improvement. Each small effort is a step toward greater freedom and a better quality of life. If you found this helpful, type 9 in the comments. If you plan to share it with a friend or loved one, type 0 and let them know you're thinking of their health. It is never too late to take care of your health as long as you begin today. Wishing you continued strength, energy, and wellness every day.